don't know about y'all, but I'm definitely not blowing the bag on my trip maintenance. The bag will be blown on the trip. Effortlessly, effortlessly. I do not subscribe that your maintenance has to be hundreds of dollars. So let me show you how I do my maintenance for the low. Hey y'all, it's your girl Maya and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I have my trip prep maintenance, prep, whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to Houston for the rodeo. This is my first girls trip and I'm super excited, y'all. Stay tuned for that vlog. But this is the maintenance. This is the prep for the trip. I'm hoping that I can get everything done for less than $100. If not, it's definitely gonna be less than like $150. Let's get into the video. So I'm currently doing my nails. I started my nails last night. I started them around 10-ish, because it took me a little minute to work my drill and because I just got a new drill and everything. But I just finished shaping them up. This is my first time doing acrylic in over a year, and this is my first time doing square nails in a very long time. I just finished shaping them up, and I think for my first time doing acrylic and square nails in a minute, oh, I ate that up. If y'all are actually interested more into how I do my own nails, because I have a lot of, let me see, give y'all an overview. Some of the stuff, all of this is full with nail supplies. This is some nail supplies. This is nail supplies. This is nail supplies. And I honestly got some more. So if you're interested in all the stuff that I use for my nails and kind of just like how I do my own nails, because I used to do builder gel before and I'm back on acrylic. I don't know exactly what design I want to do, but I know I want to do the straight French tip. I put a poll on my Instagram of which nails do I think we should do. And as you can see, 2 and 4 are tied. I think I'm gonna do 2. It's not that I don't want to do 2. I don't think I have all the colors to do 2. Let's see.
I don't think so.
That's scary. This is.
You are now tuned in to a tropical mix.
Baby, now hold me close. I want you to
Next on the prep, we got some hair dye. I want to dye my hair black. As you can see, I have like, I think they call these mermaid locks. I just put some K-tips that I made on the bottom of my locks. I feel like these are pretty dark, but my hair, it has like some brown pieces. So I want to get it all back black. My first time, I think, using this hair dye. I don't know. In my head, I just thought, well, actually, I'm lying. It's early in the morning. It's 7 in the morning. I bought this because it was cheaper than the women's hair dye. But I bought two because usually I only need one. But I bought two because it's for men. And I'm like, maybe they assuming they don't have much hair, you know? But this is jet black. I was going to do off black. I don't know. Some just told me to do the jet magazine. First, put on coloring gloves, snip the tip of the cream. Putting the gloves that it came with over these gloves because I'm not fucking around, y'all. And I feel like I should probably open the other. I should probably open the other bottle, huh? Pour it in there.
I can feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas tryna talk in a strip club. Shorty silhouette look like a dollar sign. Caught up. That's just how a nigga brought up. Blow ones for your loony ass niggas. Straight bells for your toony ass niggas. My niggas bigger than the bounce. Roll up in the bitch, still smell like a house. Right quick. Tight jeans on so you feel my shit.
Let's get it. And yes, I'm rinsing it in my kitchen sink. You're not eating in my crib, so whoop-de-doo.
Tell me something good, baby. Tell me something good, shout it. I'ma bring it to the hood, baby. I'ma bring it back to the hood, shout it. If you saw the feel like in the nighttime, bust it up and shorty when the light shine. Still fucking with your free ass, nigga. I know you wanna break with your body.
So it's a little bit later after I dyed my hair. It came out really good. I'm gonna wash it again tonight. I feel like I should have washed it again earlier, but I didn't have time for that. But then I'm also thinking, like, if you still have dye in your hair, like, it's permanent hair dye and it has chemicals in it, bitch, I might be bald at the end of the night. But we're gonna deal with that if we get there. I will say one thing that I was very, very surprised about is I did not think that. Let me know if y'all want to see the video about how I did this hairstyle, like the extensions on my locks. I did record the whole process. I did not expect because before when I did these, I don't think that I used permanent hair dye. I think I was just using like Adore or Kiss. But the actual like glue, it dyed too. So it made it blend even better. So I'm happy. I'm hella happy, bitch. I'm going to retwist it tonight after I get off of work. I'm gonna
wrap your arms around me. Ooh, baby, I don't care what them people say. I'm giving you whatever you want. Whatever you need, listen to your heart. I'm the only nigga who poppin' that. Got it jumping out that he did like who coppin' that. G-Wagon got a brag and put a rock on that. Niggas always in her DM, she don't holler back. Copy that. I've been cuffin', Chanel bags like it's nothing. And she loved him, my last nigga, he was bluffing. He said fuck on me, let that go on like he bugging. Now she thuggin' with a real one. I've been ballin' on you, why I love you. All my homies know me best, they say I'm fallin' for you. And that boss be slippery like tryna walk on oil. And I be there long as you there when I be callin' for you. Girl, as long as you wrap your arms around me. Ooh, baby, I don't care what them people say. I'm giving you whatever you want. Whatever you need, listen to your heart. You can get whatever you want, whatever you need. Got a one-way flight, so I ain't letting you leave. We ain't fuck first night, hand me back and you please. But you love when I'm back and you told me get on my knees and I ate it. We got faded. You said put some Tory Lanez on and I played it. In Philly we said you the main joint and we save it. Finally got a rich nigga, baby, you made it. Long as you hold me down, you know that it's going down. Be there when I turn around and I turn your world around. I had to tone it down, cause you made me slow it down. But I got you open now, so I'm about to show you now.
What makes you think that I would try to run a game on you? Just to show us my name is Dollar. I'll be there for you and I treat you just like a queen to get fun thing. Never have to worry about another in your place. So believe me when I say wrap your arms around me. Ooh, baby, I don't care what them people say. I'm giving you whatever you want.
To a tropical mix.
Baby, now hold me close.
So y'all, I got my toes done earlier, as y'all can see. I didn't necessarily show y'all the finished product because y'all not paying me. But I just got a French tip and it was a dry pedicure, so she didn't do no scrub-a-dub-dubbing, nothing. All she did was the toes. So I'm baking some cookies. I got some edible cookies I'm making to take on my flight. But once them get done, I'm hopping in the shower, washing off my makeup so I can do my eyelash extensions and so I can shave these legs and get all nice and smooth and supple. So yeah, that's where we at with our prep, and I will come back to y'all when it's time to do the lashes.
Every night I rush to my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes. I'm going out of my head, lost in the fairy tale. You hold my hands and be my guide. Clouds filled with stars cover your skies, and I hope it rains. You're the perfect lullaby. Dream or a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna wait. Turn the lights off. Sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. Your love's too quick. Turn the lights off. My guilty pleasure, I ain't going nowhere. Baby, long as you're here, I'll be floating on air. 'Cause you're my sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna turn the lights on. Mention you when I say my prayers. I wrap you around all of my thoughts. For you, my temporary. I wish that when I wake up, you're there. So wrap your arms around me for real and tell me you stay by my side. Clouds feel